Hi, my name is Ava. We're here at the ProX booth for InfoComm 2026. I'm here with,
Gabriel.
and we're going to be showing one of their products.
So this product is very special product because it's called Ava. So let me take the mic. So Ava is actually we are one of the Santosom distributors in USA. I mean we are the exclusive distributor for Santosom product made in Portugal. So this case, it's a broadcasting case that you could put your monitor 32-inch monitor on the top. You have 6 space right over here. You have a great working space area, and also you have 16 space at the bottom. So this product, you could put one monitor over here, 2 monitors on the sides, and the nice thing about this, the rear and the front door, it turns to the side table, which we didn't have enough space to show the other one. So the same table that we have over here, it could go to this side. And one nice feature about this product, you could have the tables in the 2 height adjustment too. So if you take a look at the back side of this case, the monitors that goes on the side, you have a storage room in the rear side. So you could store the products in the back side, and also the monitor arms, it comes up, and you could store them underneath the lid or the covers. They have bags for this as well. Check more of this product on our website. It's called Santosom Ava, and it's a gorgeous product like the Ava. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.